Hi, let's do an exercise. Let's try to filter out stores in South region with a revenue of more than 2 lakh and that are company owned. Let's press Ctrl Shift to activate the filter. Alt down, select South. Alt down, select company owned. Alt down again to filter revenue greater than 2 lakh. Even with using all the shortcuts, using filter tool, it took me more than 30 seconds. Drop down clicks, checkboxes, clearing filters, and redoing the steps again and again. Now let's compare this with a more professional and efficient way. South, company owned, and revenue of 2 lakh. With the filter function, it took me just 7 seconds and a few clicks to achieve the same thing. And the best part, I can do it over and over again without the hassle of reapplying and applying filter. Let me show you how to achieve this level of productivity so you can avoid awkward moments in front of your manager. This is a simple data set of stores, store, region, ownership, and revenue. Let's start with the simple filter of region. Let's say I want stores in South region. And we write filter function, filter array. So this is the array we want. In which column we want to apply a filter? So we want to apply filter in region column. So select region equal to G2. You can see there is a third argument which is in square bracket. So it's an optional argument. So as of now, let's leave that and enter. You can see filter gives us store in South region. Now let's say if it's North, we'll get all the stores in North region. Now let's try to make this more dynamic by creating a drop down list. For drop down, press Alt A BV and here select list. You can select your source from here. You might be wondering that here are multiple Souths, but in your drop down there will be unique South, so there will be only one South. So you don't have to worry, just select this region and let's see. So here is South. It's not repeating, right? Yeah. So this is a dynamic filter that we have created. Now let's try to create multiple criteria. Let's say we want to apply filter on ownership and revenue as well. Let's try to make it dynamic only. Let's press Alt VV and list. Again, the source is this one. So we will select source and apply. And this is company owned. And we want stores with revenue 2 lakh. So 2 lakh. So for filter function, if you want to apply multiple criteria and if it's AND criteria, we use multiplication as an operator. So let me show you. So first one is region. Now let's say it's an AND criteria of company owned stores which are in South region and which are company owned. So select this and this is equal to G3 and have revenue of, so revenue and have revenue of greater than 2 lakh. So this is and criteria. For and criteria we are using multiplication operator. So filter gives us result of stores in south region that are company owned and have revenue of 2 lakh. So there is an or operator as well for filter. So let's say we want to have stores which are either in south or company owned or both. Then we will just apply plus as an operator. So this will give us stores which are both south and company owned, or either south or company owned. So you can see the first row is south and company owned. This is either company owned, or this is either south owned. And that's the filter function, faster, cleaner, and far more flexible than the filter tool. If you like this, hit like and stay tuned, and hit subscribe to get notified, because I'll be releasing more advanced filter use cases very soon. See you in the next one.